In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. Progress invoicing is a fantastic feature that helps you manage billing for long-term projects by allowing you to bill clients incrementally, either by specific amounts or percentages of the total job cost. This is particularly useful for businesses that operate on contracts or have clients with phased projects, as it ensures everyone is on the same page concerning payments and project milestones. To get started, we need to first enable the progress invoicing feature for your company. Begin by locating the Settings button, marked by the familiar small gear icon, in the top right corner of your QuickBooks interface. Clicking this will unveil a menu where you'll find Account and Settings. Go ahead and select it. Once you've entered the Account and Settings section, focus your attention on the left panel and find the tab labeled Sales. This area is where you can customize how sales and transactions are handled in QuickBooks Online. Now, take your time scrolling down through the sales options until you locate the setting for progress invoicing. It might be nestled among other settings, so keep an eye out for it. When you find the progress invoicing section, click to edit it and go ahead and turn it on. After making this change, click Save to ensure your settings are updated. This isn't just a casual click. You're essentially turning on a powerful tool that will streamline how you charge for ongoing projects. Once you're done with these settings, you'll see a Done button at the bottom right. Click that, and QuickBooks will return you to the main interface. Now that you've successfully enabled progress invoicing, it's time to put it to work by creating a new invoice. Start by clicking the New button, prominently located at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Invoice. In the invoice creation window, you'll begin by adding the customer's name. This part is crucial because it ensures the invoice is tied to the correct client account, helping you maintain organization. Next, move on to adding the products and services associated with this invoice. This will typically include the list of items or services you intend to bill the client for, segmented for clarity. As you input the items, you'll notice an option to set the amount to invoice. Here, QuickBooks gives you the flexibility to choose how much of the total amount you wish to invoice. Using the percentage option, for instance, allows you to bill a portion of the estimate, aligning perfectly with the progress of the project. This can be particularly beneficial if your project is ongoing, giving both you and your client a clear view of where payments stand. And there you have it. You've enabled progress invoicing and created an invoice using this handy feature in QuickBooks Online. While it might seem a bit detailed, the benefits of having clear, incremental invoicing will undoubtedly make the extra few initial steps worthwhile.